Ay, sasabi ko sa tingnan mo, ipindutin mo kasi kanina maliwanag masyado yun. Oh, lapit ka no, Ruby. Rafa. You go to your kuya. Hindi pa punta mo siya sa banda. Sa maharap ng kuya niya. Rafa, you look at the goat. Hey, look at me, look at me. Look at me, Rafa. Rafa, look at me. There. RB, RB.
To the side.
Oh. Oh, you look at, touch the goat, touch the goat.
Uy, Rafa, you might fall, ah. Pag nahulog ka, lagot.
This is so small.
Pero si Coach Helpa, yung harap natin ng puso sa inyo.
Ay, kung
Gawin
sito.
ko ng barangay.
Dali, nag-aano lang rito. Dali ah. Oh, ito, pakihawa ka ano. Huwag mo masyado ilabak, sungayin siya. May sungay isa na yun. Ay, kumusta po kayo?
Salamat po.
Oo nga, para bukan ikot ka.
Hey!
Uy,
Sige, sige.
palagad mo.
Repeat the goal.
Kamay ahap. Uy!
Oh, feed the goal. Sige, mga bata. Dali, ano. Yeah, tulong kami ha. Baka maliwa masyadong masilaw ha. Pipikitin mo lang yung gitna pag ano. Yan, sige. Hello. Feed the goat. Feed.
Ay, kamay mo ba? Kamay mo, Rafa. Baka makagat yung kamay mo.
Sige, sige.
Sabi ko may hindi po yung tamtara kasi inyo. Gigawin yung harap na yan. Habang mali kayo.
Sige po, sige po.
He's eating leaves.
Ito yun, barako, no?
He's eating leaves. Ah! He's punching the leaves.
Ano ko, ha? Ha? Ruby, look, oh. Look, oh. Kaya magpa-touch ka, halika, mag-touch ka ng ano, God. Mag-touch ka.
Feed it.
Turuan mo na yan kay Potik.
Anything I touch the goat.
Ay,
Hey, anything I touch.
sige,
It's so hot.
touch the God.
It's hot.
Touch mo. Rap.
Oh,
Pwestuhan mo ng maganda, ano, para makikita yung mukha niya. Sige, touch the God.
Touch mo.
Yeah, hawak ka, touch the neck.
I'm so scared. Look at the mother. Wait, there's another. Why?
Yung what?
Touch the neck.
Ayun na si Kuya. Oh.
Touch the head, touch the head.
I don't like to touch the head. So fascinating. Hey, he fell off. He fell off. Hey, they're eating your legs again.
Oh, there, oh. Picture kayo doon, sige. Sige.
Why is this?
Oh, give them food.
This is my
Give them food.
Yeah, I was feeling that this.
Tika. Kuha tayo. Ayun na.
Give them pumuto ka lang. Ano? Ayan, ayan, ayan.
Give mo.
Ayan, bigyan mo.
Oh,
Nakikita si Ruby sa kayo kinakain.
Ito ba yan?
Huwag mo ilalayo yung camera, ano? Pag gumalaw ka, huwag mo ilalayo yung camera. Yan. O, picture. Ito si Rafa.
Ang pregnant.
Buntis yan. Picture.
I-ask mo.
Sige.
Ay.
Ayan.
Higher to feed the buntis one.
Sige.
Feed the buntis one.
Pregnant.
Picture, ha?
Feed the pregnant one more time.
Ha?
Para he can give birth.
Ah, come on. You're not feeding anymore. He's eating and eating.
Oh, feed the other goat.
What the? He's gonna eat this. Oh, come on, goat. Come on, goat.
Come on, goat.
Hey, he's eating his.
You feed the goat. There. Oh, give him food.
food.
Sige.
Come on. Come on.
Sige. Give him food.
What's the goat?
Madami yun, doon.
Wow! Magdani. Magdani sila. Oh, he's moving around. Wow, they're moving around.
Itong mga goat nito, walang sawa ito. Nakain ng kain. Tuloy-tuloy lang.
Hindi po sila lumalabas pag yung maga pa, pag yung masabanta mo.
It's eating. It's eating the planet.
Lapit ka ron na Ruby.
Why is that flying? Why is that flying? What? What the? Ah, come on. Ah, that's the brother.
Oh.
Where's the goat? Where's the goat?
Dito lang mo.
Wala mo huli doon. Kikita yung mga goat.
Opo.
Oh, wait, am I seeing? Yep. Oh, this is a dead one.
Well, the ones to go
Picture, ah.
here.
Opo.
He wants to feed.
That's the goat. Oh.
That's so much feed him.
That's the goat. Tickle the goat. Oh.
What? Wow!
Oh, have a good one.
Tickle.
He's not eating him.
Pinabisita ko po siya ng mangga to sa mag-explain sa araw.
Oo.
Baka daw po mga bandang October pa.
October. Malapit na. October na ngayon.
Baka daw po mga
No, the
October,
goat's
November,
there.
ganun daw po. Kasi pangit ko daw po ang dahon.
Thirsty.
Ano to?
Bugs.
Pag bagong panganak, ilang buwan bago mag-mature, pwedeng magbuntis.
Bugs.
Mga 7 po.
Bugs.
7 months. Tapos, pag magbuntis, ilang buwan bago manganak?
4.
4 months. So 4
Kasi
months.
nakakatatlong beses po sila isang taon eh.
Tatlo isang taon.
Kasi kahit naman po may kasama silang dumidid din na minsan nagpapakasta na rin sila.
Pag ano to, pag maganda yung anak nito, mga 6 months, bili tayo ng dagdag.
Hmm.
Para mabilis na ano.
So eat. Eat the leaf.
Ito.
Can I feed it to that guy?
Can I feed it?
Kaya naman ako, tingnan mo ako magkano. Andito kami sa Padre Garcia, dito sa Batangas, sa goat farm, farm ng mga kambing. Kasama ko yung mga apo ko, andito si Roby at yun si Rafa. Tuturo mo si Rafa, yun si Rafa. Papakain sila ng goat. Enjoy sila dito. Nandito si Lito. So, dito kami mag-aalaga para dumami itong mga goat dito. Palaki natin itong goat farm. Ayun pa iba, oh. Ayun pa. Ayan. Oh, lapitan mo ulit, ano?
Nakagawang ka na, oh.
Picture, pagkakatawa.
Tawa siya, eh. Okay, bigay mo.
The black
Bigyan mo ng goat. This one is nice. Nagpapahawak ko. This one, no?
I want
Look,
to
oh.
see.
Nagpatats, oh. Ayan, pukul.
The others I was feeding, I was able to touch them.
Sige. Layo ko tayo para makita silang dalawa. Puno mo ng picture ngayon. Robby, dyan lang. Picture. Rafa, look at the camera. Sige yan, there we go.
Wow!
Hello. See, oh? Touch the goat.
I don't go.
Sige, touch. Sabi mo, you wanna touch the goat. Touch the tail.
What side do I like the tail?
Oh, tail, oh.
Wow, she's eating leaves.
Nandun na yun. Di ba atin yun? Kanina yan? Yung kambing sa labas?
Ay, hindi po. Eh, wala na sa tag-araw. Hindi rin naman nabunga yan. Sa politiko.
Ay, there's a small goat, oh.
Bunga naman sa
That's a small goat, huh? Small goat.
Baby,
Oh, teka. Ay, ito ko mo yung small goat. Oh, this is small goat, oh.
let's feed them. Go!
Catch it. You know, I can catch small goats in this one.
Huh?
You can catch small goats in this one.
Yeah, but the problem is this one. Since you catch a baby, the mother will attack. Oh, they like this also.
What's the like? See, that's
There's a monkey here. Oh, that's dead.
Catch a small goat.
I want to touch the small house. Cause here, but here,
My banana juice.
And this. You have
Yan na.
oh, use the tree.
Wait, where's the other small one? There's two small ones.